Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. So the running topic is transformation of axis. Okay now? Last class we discussed about it, sir. Translation of axis and rotation of axis. This is already completed. So translation of axis. Translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. This is already completed. Just one time repeating. What is the translation of axis? Without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifting to one point to another point in the same plane. Okay, now then the transformation is called translation of axis. Again repeating. Without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifting to one point to another point in the same plane. The type of transformation is called translation of axis. Okay now? So the relation between the new system and old system is here small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus km. Small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. H comma k is the origin shifting point. The point h comma k is the origin shifting point. The coordinates of p is equal to small x comma small y are the coordinates of p with the reference of the system, sir. Old system, otherwise original system. Okay now? The coordinates of capital X comma capital Y are the new coordinates, are transformed coordinates with the reference of the system, new system. Okay now, rotation of axis. This is also last class completed. Again one time repeating. See here. So this is the origin. This is x axis. This is y axis. This one. Without changing the position of the origin, axes are rotated to some constant angle. Again repeating. Without changing the position of the origin, axes are rotated to some constant angle like this one. See here. There is the x-axis there, same place, but we are rotating this axis. Like this is called, okay now, rotation of axis. Without changing the position of the origin, axes are rotated to some constant angle. Both x-axis and y-axis both are rotated. So this is the origin axis. This is just new x-axis. This is new y-axis. Here angles are rotated theta. Here also we are rotated theta. Without changing the position of the origin, axes are rotated to some constant angle. Okay now? This type of transformation is called rotation of axis. Okay now? In this one also, the coordinates of p is equal to x comma y are there. The coordinates of p is equal to capital X comma capital Y. Okay now? Here we are taking p is equal to x comma y. P is equal to capital X comma capital Y. Small x comma small y. Small x comma small y are the coordinates of P with the reference of which system, sir? Small x comma small y are the coordinates of P with the reference of old system. Capital X comma capital Y are the coordinates of P with the reference of which system, sir? New system. Okay now? Capital X comma capital Y are the coordinates of P with the reference of new system. Small x comma small y is the coordinates of P with the reference of old system. Theta is the rotation of angle. Here the relation between the new system and old system. By using of this table we can find easily theta. Here small x small y. Here capital X capital Y. Here cos theta minus sin theta, here sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta, cos theta. Okay now? Here we want small x comma small y. Original coordinate transformed variables we are expressing in original variables. Small x is equal to we are taking horizontal line. Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. We want small y, here also we are taking horizontal line. Capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Small x, small y. small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Here we want capital X value. Here we are taking the vertical lines. Capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Here we are taking the vertical lines. Capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. Capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. Capital Y is equal to here minus x sin theta minus x sin theta plus here y cos theta minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is the capital X, this is the capital Y. Small x, small y. This is the relation between the new system and old system. So in our question, angle is there. That problem refers to which one, sir? Rotation of axis. In our question, origin shifted point is there. That problem refers to which one, sir? Translation of axis. Okay, now. So now we are starting the exercise. Okay, now. So now we are starting the exercise. We have one important note is there. First we are writing that note. Then after we are continuing the exercise. See here. Now we are starting the exercise. In this one also one exercise there only one 4 marks question. Weightage is also 4 marks only in this topic. Okay now from the transformation of axis weightage 4 marks only. Okay now see here. First question. See here. When the origin is shifted to which point, sir? 4, minus 5 by the translation of axis. Find the coordinates of the following points with reference of new axis. Understand? With reference of which axis, sir? New axis. So that's why we are finding the new coordinates. So the given coordinates are which coordinates we are taking? Old coordinates. Okay now? So given coordinates are old coordinates. We are finding the transformed coordinates or new coordinates. What are the transformed coordinates? Capital X, capital Y are the transformed coordinates. What are the old coordinates? Small x, small y are the old coordinates. Given coordinates are small x, small y. We are finding capital X, capital Y. So see here, first question. See what is the first question, sir? 0, 3. See these coordinates are old coordinates. First origin shifted point. What is given, sir? 4, minus 5. So origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. So that is nothing but here what is the 4, minus 5. That is equal to h, k. Always remember this one. Origin shifted point we are denoting by h, k. Okay na? So next see here. So we are finding the transformed coordinates. That's why capital X, capital Y are the transformed coordinates of which one, sir? Small x, small y. We are finding capital X, capital Y. Given coordinates are old coordinates. Small x, small y. Here, what is given, sir? Here given small x, small y is equal to 0, 3. Small x, small y is equal to 0, 3. Here we know that which one we know, sir? Here we know that small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. We are finding capital X, capital Y value. That's why capital X is equal to small x minus h. Capital X is equal to small x minus h. Here capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Small capital X is equal to small x minus h. Capital Y is equal to small y minus k. We are substituting the values. So capital X is equal to small x is equal to what is the value? 0. Minus h. H is equal to what is the value? 4. Here capital X is equal to minus 4. Capital Y is equal to y minus k. What is the value of y, sir? 3. 3 minus k. K equal to what is the minus 5. Okay now capital Y is equal to 3 plus 5. Capital Y is equal to our sir 8. Okay now. Therefore, capital X comma capital Y is equal to sir minus 4 comma 8 are the transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates of which point sir 0 comma 3. Transformed coordinates of 0 comma 3. All of them carefully. Okay now. So do the remaining two problems homework same as this. Just RG shifted point as this, 4 comma minus 5 as this. So we are changing only small x comma small y value. Here small x is equal to next question minus 2 comma 4. Next third question 4 comma minus 5. So RG shifted point is same as this. Do the remaining these two problems as this. Okay now. So I will do again this one. I will tell this problem again one time. So write down first this one. All of write down carefully. Okay. See next same question number. Second one. So second one, what is this? Same as this. So now we are discussing the second problem. Yes, second one. What is second question? Yeah, minus 2 comma 4. So same RG shifted point. What is that? 4 comma minus 5. So first one is that one. Origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. That is nothing but minus 2 comma 4, that is nothing but h comma km. Origin shifted point minus 2 comma 4 is equal to h comma k. So we are finding which is transformed coordinates, otherwise the difference of new axis. New axis means transformed axis. Okay now. So here what are the transformed variables? Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates of which one sir? Small x comma small y. Okay now here given, what is given sir? Given small x comma small y is equal to here minus 2 comma 4. Okay now here we know that which one we know sir? We know the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus km. So small x is equal to capital X plus h. Here you want to transform coordinates, that's why capital X is equal to small x minus h. Capital Y is equal to small y minus km. So now we are substituting the values. So capital X is equal to x minus h minus 2 minus h. H is equal to what is there? Minus 2. That's why here minus 2 plus 2. Capital X is equal to which one sir? 0. Okay now. So origin shifted point is here sir. Origin shifted point minus 4 comma 5 minus problem. Origin shifted point is 4 comma minus 5. 4 comma minus 5. Origin shifted point is 4 comma minus 5. That's why here capital X is equal to what we are writing now? Small x minus h. Capital Y is equal to small y minus km. Here capital X is equal to small x minus h. Small x is equal to minus 2 minus h. H is equal to what is the value sir? 4. Here h is equal to 4. Capital X is equal to minus 6. Capital X is equal to what is the value? Minus 6. So capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Small y is equal to what is the value sir? 4 minus km. K equal to what is the origin shifted point? Minus 5. Here minus 5. So capital Y is equal to 4 plus 5. Capital Y is equal to 9. Okay now. Therefore capital X comma capital Y is equal to minus 6 comma 9 are the transformed coordinates. Which one, sir? -2, 4. -6, -9 are the transformed coordinates of -2, 4. Do the remaining star problem 4, -5. Do that problem homework 4, -5. Okay na? So see the next question. Second question. The origin is shifted to 2, 3. The origin is shifted to which point, sir? 2, 3 by the translation of axis. The coordinates of a point P change as follows. Find the coordinates of P in the original system. So we are finding the original coordinates. Original coordinates means small x, small y values we are finding. Given coordinates are transformed coordinates. That is nothing but capital X, capital Y. Capital X, capital Y are the transformed coordinates. Small x, small y are the original coordinates. Given coordinates are transformed coordinates. We are finding original coordinates. So see in this one also 3 problems are there. I am saying first problem. Do the remaining 2 problems homework. 4, 5. So first what is given, sir? Solution. Origin shifted point. So origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. That is nothing but what is the number? 2, 3 is equal to what is the value? H, K. Origin shifted point is nothing but 2, 3 is equal to H, K. See here. Next we are finding original coordinates. Let small x, small y are the original coordinates. Original coordinates of which one, sir? Capital X, capital Y. Okay na? Small x, small y are the original coordinates of capital X, capital Y. Okay? Then after see here, observe carefully. So in our question, transformed coordinates are given. That's why capital X, capital Y is equal to first question. What is the number? 4, 5. So we know that which one we know, sir? The relationship between the new system and old system. Small x is equal to capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Small x is equal to capital X plus H. Small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Okay na? This is the relation between the new system and old system. So we want small x, small y. Original coordinates we want that. So small x, small y value is required. Small x is equal to capital X plus H. There is nothing but 4 plus H is equal to what is the value? 2. Small x is equal to 4 plus 2. There is nothing but 6. Here small y is equal to capital Y plus K. What is the capital Y, sir? Capital Y is equal to 5 plus K. What is the K value, sir? H is equal to what is the number? 2 is there. K is equal to what is the number? 3. So small y is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Small x, small y. Small x, small y is equal to 6, 8 are original coordinates. Original coordinates. Okay na? So do the remaining 2 problems homework. Same as this. Okay? All of write down. So see the next question. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so that the point 3, 0 may changes to 2, -3. Here new coordinates are given, old coordinates are given. We are finding which one, sir? Origin shifting point. This is the third question. Okay now? New coordinates are given, old coordinates are given. Okay now? Origin shifted point we are finding. Okay now? See here. Solution. Let H, K be the origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. Now we are finding h comma k value. Here so that the point 3 comma 0 may change to 2 comma minus 3 means 3 comma 0 is the original coordinate. So 2 comma minus 3 is the transformed coordinate. Okay now. So original coordinates that is nothing but small x comma small y is equal to 3 comma 0 transformed coordinates that is nothing but capital X comma capital Y. Capital X comma capital Y is nothing but 2 comma minus 3 2 comma minus 3. Here we know that which one we know the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Okay now. Small x is equal to capital X plus h. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here we want which ones are h comma k values. Here h is equal to small x minus capital H. K is equal to small y minus capital Y. Therefore, h comma k values we are finding. H is equal to small x minus capital X. What is the small x? 3 is there minus capital H, capital X. Capital X is equal to what is the value? 2. Therefore, h is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Here k is equal to small y minus capital Y. Small y is equal to 0 minus capital Y is equal to what is the number? Minus 3. K is equal to minus of minus 3 plus 3. K is equal to what is the value? 3. H comma k is equal to 1 comma 3. See the origin shifted point. What is the origin shifted point, sir? Here h comma k is equal to origin shifted point is nothing but actually, sir. Here what is the number? 1 comma 3 is the origin shifted point. So by using of this relation x is equal to capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k, we can convert upon from one system to another system, and so we can find origin shifted point. All of you understand?